Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Yes, I'm coming to you live from my car. Yeah, but this you know not see it live, but yeah, you know what I say. So today I am going on a road trip with a few of my friends. It's actually one of my friends' birthday weekend, and we are go out and thing. We are go turn up the place and have some fun. Alright, a joke me I make. Yeah, so we're heading to Ocho Rios on a road trip. We're making a stop in St. Mary first. And I want to come with me on this journey. Come have some fun with me. You ready? I'm ready to. So yes guys, before we get into this though, don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video with your friends guys. Help me get to 3K for my birthday in September. Yes, help me to get to 3K for my birthday in September guys. And of course, that means I'm gonna have to subscribe if you're not watching me right now, and share with a friend so them can subscribe too. So yes guys, let's get going. That means that I look like I broke my foot. We are here. So we're at the first stop of the day, which is Spanish Bridge. I know Rory I go jump, but I'm not sure about the jumping thing. I mean, it depends on Rory.
Jumping is a must.
I think about it still. So this is the birthday girl, her birthday weekend. Yes. Ready for the water now guys. Well ready. The water is beautiful. Can't wait for to take a dip, you know. Ready for the dip. This is the famous Spanish Bridge located in St. Mary. River not look too deep still. Might take a chance. Might let me know what I think. You chance it? Yes, so the air is very clear. Lord God, I want to drop. So I think I might jump. For them a boost me. And the water look good, so you know. Girl want to take a dip. Might just take a dip, of course. And when we get to see, of course, Frankine with a good body. Oh.
Tell me if me look like one of them at today. Let me see how it look.
Picture them.
It's cold, man.
Okay, I take about 500 pictures. Oh boy, not early, man. Ready? No, it's alright, this one. This is the shit that you want to hold. Alright, so I'm telling you to let go.
Yeah.
Just let go and don't try to hold on, okay?
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh God, she can't breathe. Breathe, just breathe, just breathe.
Never do. Open my eye, Rory. I will look and see how far the water will come. You should tell me what bus stop. Step one short.
But one time him just push you off, you know, and then I'll go. Him just push you.
You say 1, 2, 3. Look, me see how far water is. So that's all I breath. I'm going under me say, alright, just relax. 5 seconds. I'm saying, that's big. No. How do you feel, babe? Your foot a touch? Alright. So, who go jump first?
Vomit face.
Me just go out there and laugh.
Me just have a laugh.
Bora climb.
Come guys.
Or you can do the
It feels like it's about.
the maze thing in the top. Where them do the maze, the obstacle course.
That's not bad.
Oh, the Anansi web. I think I may keep on this one.
So, now we're off to the next one. Definitely not doing that jump again ever. Well, maybe. Depends on who I come back here with. But it was fun. We're moving on to the next location. Mystic Mountain, here we come. So, yes guys. Up there, Deagle. The struggle.
Welcome to Mystic Mountain. After you finish your excursion, you're going to meet me right here. I'll take you back to your cars.
Okay.
But you're going to check in down here under the tent.
Okay.
So you start here, and when you finish, you meet me back up there.
Everybody here is a part of the same group. Right here.
Right here. Practicing social distancing.
What adventure like guys, as long as I want to look at something for you though.
Where you out? No, not illegal.
Oh, this is fun.
Probably never got surgery.
Alright, so you can stay here and all the other persons just go up by the car. Okay. Okay.
Can I get a phone in hand?
Come here.
Listen to me. Rory, if I just did that, I must can manage that. I'm not sure nothing no more. Exactly. Your turn, Frankie. Frankie, nothing. Frankie, now your turn.
What's that up to?
That was you.
Your turn.
Your turn to wear the
Face your eyes.
I'm going to express, I'm going to have a try.
You ain't done nothing.
Go over there.
Sky Explorer. 700 feet. So we're going 700 feet. I don't even know if I'm ready. Fun fact, I'm afraid of heights, and this lift is 700 feet. Yeah, I don't feel too bad still.
Or take turn holding it, that's fine. So you rent the lockers from the cashier that is standing on my far right.
Okay.
You rent the locker from the cashiers that are standing on my far right. After you get your bags put away and situated, you're going to go up the ramp straight ahead for the bobsled. After you're done with the bobsled, we're going to come over here and a customer service rep, me or somebody else, is going to send you to your other tour.
Okay.
Alright? Have fun, no problem.
I want to know. The ragamuffin. Today is the day to get over all your fears, guys. To the ragamuffin now. It's the new. Oh.
lot more funny than food.
Hey, you know what feel me out? Frank?
We can do it.
Me lock me here, you know.
We can do this.
Me lock me up and then curve deck. I need to go back at my yard.
It's mind over matter.
Yeah.
Already? Alright, remember,
Temporary loss of what?
That was cool. Squad?
Oh, yes, OMG, OMG. That's a good
Squad? Oh God. At first, I'm not going to respond.
Yes, no. Lift up the bag now, please, darling.
Eh.
Yeah, you can't hold on to Jesus. Don't ride out this.
Hold on to the Lord. Don't
Hold on to the Lord.
I tell you. Amen. Alright, so remember, to secure all your devices and other necessary items, please make sure that when you're coming back, your legs are lifted. Remember that the side effects can include temporary loss of bladder function and all that. Alright, good luck now, yeah?
You're going in grace.
Temporary loss of bladder function.
Yes,
Me pray to
Lord,
God that
have
no
your way.
reach me. Bladder function.
What do you think of this good out of the Yes, Jesus.
Tomorrow's mind over matter. Mind over matter, baby, the girl.
Yes, Jesus. Yes,
Man say must come with me and look where me I go.
help us, Lord. Yes, Jesus. Help.
Me can't watch back the video, me not have to watch it now. Lord God, Frankine. Stop that. Me say if I go fast.
This fast.
Keep my foot away from the trees. Yeah, the view is nice.
That's motivation.
Motivation.
Whoa!
Motivation. And tribulation.
Yo, Shamara, Shamara, you execute your big words and me the big expect. Yo, you're surprised me, not like.
Hands up, guys. Alright, ladies, I'm gonna ask you to do it quickly to the left, quickly to the left. Quickly to the left, mamacita. Thank you guys for coming.
So they're going to do the AB, the anti-web now. So I'll be videoing that. Guys, we have come to the end of my vlog. It was a fun full day, of course, guys. Mystic Mountain was so much fun. I conquered my fear for heights. You see all of them something when I go on with the obstacle course? Yes, it was a good day. So guys, you can definitely check out Mystic Mountain at any time. Check out them website, man. Come have some fun. And guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave me a comment, guys. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye.